A local phone repair shop is asking for the community's help of collecting phones that are not used. NBC 10's Haley Hines has more details on what the phones will be used for.
With October being Domestic Violence Awareness Month, On the Go Repair will be collecting old, unused, or unneeded cell phones. All phones collected will be donated to the Family Justice Center. Devices that are able to be used to make calls will be given to survivors, and phones that do not work will be donated and sold for parts, and the money made will benefit the Justice Center. We spoke with On the Go Repair about the collaboration.
When we get them in, if they're not working or not functioning, we do our best to repair them so that we can give them a functioning device. I feel like it's better that we're donating a device that can be used rather than just be sold for parts.
We just want to give back. I mean, we've been put in this position, and I always wanted to help where I can and when I can, and this is our way of being able to do so.
As of now, the cell phone repair shop has collected 15 phones and counting. They also stated that other electronic devices such as tablets and laptops will be accepted as well. We spoke with the Family Justice Center about how a donation of this kind will benefit survivors.
Many times survivors of domestic violence will leave and maybe their telephone has been destroyed by their abuser, or maybe they don't have one, they've been restricted from having one of those in the past. Maybe they just need a private number that they can reach out if there's an emergency. So these phones will actually help survivors be able to reach out for help if they need it.
Luckily, the collection period does not have an end date in sight. Going forward, those willing to donate can drop off electronic devices at both On the Go repair shops located in Monroe and West Monroe. For your ArkLaMiss News Source, I'm Haley Hines.